Welcome to this Blackpool Music School video all about PAT testing, that is P-A-T testing. PAT testing is a test that's done on electrical equipment to make sure it is safe to use. Normally this is electrical equipment that is plugged into the mains electrical supply. So if you had wireless microphones, I believe the wireless microphone doesn't because that works off a battery, but the receiver does because that's plugged into the mains. So stuff like guitar amplifiers, keyboard amplifiers, keyboards, anything that goes into the plug socket, the main supply, needs PAT testing. Some people say if it's under 12 months old, it doesn't need PAT testing because the guarantee that it came with covers it. I am not sure if this is true. I get all of my stuff PAT tested just to be safe. Again, get your PAT testing done by an official place. They'll be in the Guild of Electricians. It's very important because that PAT testing has to be done correctly, because it's your guarantee to a place where you're playing that your equipment is safe to use. Normally you get a sticker on your equipment. It's white with a green outline with some information written on it, and the place I use in the Filed Coast gives you a printed out certificate as well, so you have some reference point to where it was done. Now, PAT testing is very important because most official clubs, pubs, venues, whatever you're playing, will insist on your stuff being PAT tested. Again, what needs to be PAT tested, that can vary. I am not an electrician. I leave that to the place where I go. They just tell me what needs PAT testing and it's PAT tested. Of course there is a charge for this, but again, if you're a self-employed musician, I believe you can claim this back on your taxes as it's an expense. But like I said, get your stuff PAT tested for your own safety anyway. I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Blackpool Music School for more videos. So until next time, take care, keep playing, keep practicing, and as always, goodbye.